Today, I will be showing you how to add or replace hard drives to your Spyclops DVRs. You will need a screwdriver and your DVR. First, remove the 3 screws on the back of the unit, followed by 2 screws on each side. The cover should now slide off towards the back. As you can see, this unit has space for 2 hard drives. We also have units that house a single hard drive. Remove the power and data cables from the hard disk. Flip the unit over and loosen the 4 screws that retain the hard drive. Slide the hard drive to the open end of the keyway and remove. To install the drive, partially thread the screws in the hard drive, insert each into the keyway, and slide to the closed end. Now flip it over and tighten all 4 screws. Insert the power and data cables. When adding the second drive, there is not any space to slide the screws into the keyway. Remove the screws from the drive. Insert the power and data cables. Hold the drive in place and flip over the unit, being sure to align the screw holes. Insert the 4 screws and tighten. Align the lid and slide forward to close. To finish, replace the 7 screws to secure the lid. Once the unit has booted up, right-click the screen and choose System Setup. Then enter your username and password. Under the General Setup tab, click HDD Setup on the left-hand side. Here you will find the drive or drives installed. Click the checkbox under the Format column, then click the Format button. Click Yes to format the drive. Click OK after format success, and your job is done. For more information, you can go to www.metrahometheater.com. Thank you.